Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Cirilla Almeida,
Yes,
how was your treatment experience at
it was
Majestic Pride?
It was excellent. The doctors fabulous, loving, caring, motivating. The nurses also excellent with their jobs, doing their rounds up and down tirelessly. The housekeeping also very good, taking patients on the wheelchairs to the washroom. Hygiene is A class. The food is excellent, and washrooms also very clean. No trouble at all. You feel you are at home. You don't feel an outsider. The love, care which is given here is fabulous. I felt as though I was in a 5-star hotel and not in a hospital. So, which I appreciate the hard work of the doctors who keep monitoring the patients at regular intervals. The nurses, they are doing outstanding job. They keep checking on your medicines. Have you eaten? Have you taken your medicine? They keep checking on the patients with love and care, devotion. And I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart, and God bless them.